my name's John, and today we're going to be making vegan Nutella. That's right, I said vegan Nutella. If that sounds interesting, please stick around. All right, so really simple, really easy. All you need is some chocolate. This is chocolate we made at home using our food processor. So if you want to learn how to do that, check out the other videos. But basically, all we're going to be doing is adding our chocolate into our blender. So it's basically equal parts chocolate to equal part, we're just using peanuts today. You can use hazelnuts, you can use macadamia nuts, you can use cashews, you can use whatever nut you enjoy. So we're going to take 1 cup of our peanuts and just throw in here as well. Easy. We're going to take about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of vanilla. Once again, whatever tastes good to you, really. Okay, so it's an equal part. So we have 1 cup of chocolate, 1 cup of nuts. Throw in a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons of vanilla, whatever you think you will enjoy. I'm going to do a large pinch of cinnamon. I'm going to do 2 pinches of sea salt, and we're going to use a little over 1/4 cup of coconut oil. And we're going to see, I'm going to blend this down. We might actually add a little bit more coconut oil. We're just going to check the consistency. So if you wanted it a little smoother and creamier, add a little bit more coconut oil. If you want it to be a little more thick and a little more firm, add a little less. And it also depends, a lot depends on the nut that you're using. Some nuts are a lot more oily and fattier than other nuts. So peanuts are a little less oily. So it really depends on that. Well, hello, Anna One. So my little friend came over to say hi. All right, so anyways, we're gonna go ahead and blend all of this up, and basically our homemade vegan Nutella is gonna be done. Hey, I'm back from downstairs. So let's check on this. Okay, so it's still a little thick, like I said, depending on the different nuts that we're using, but you can see it's getting quite, it's sticky, all right? So it's spreadable, but I'm gonna add another 1/4 cup of coconut oil to this, and then we also still need to add our sweetener. Today we're gonna be using agave, but you can, if you wanna use honey, if you wanna use maple syrup, if you wanna use brown sugar, coconut sugar, really whatever feels right for you. Go ahead and a little bit more coconut oil in here. We're going to throw in the agave. And like I said, sweeten to your liking. You know, if you want it really sweet, well, add more. We're going to go ahead and leave in the description below, we're going to leave a full recipe, kind of how we do it. And like I said, it's very flexible, so make it work for you. For me, cooking is about what feels right, being creative, and kind of just following your natural flow. All right, guys, so we have successfully blended our ingredients together. It's to a smooth, creamy texture. Now, if you guys want, you can make this a lot healthier. You could throw in some flax seeds. You could throw in basically any superfood powder. Today, what we're gonna do, we're gonna throw in some of our homegrown moringa here. We're just gonna throw in a tablespoon of it, maybe a tablespoon and a half, and we're gonna blend it up for a few more minutes, and just to make this a true superfood vegan Nutella. So give it to the kids, and they're gonna love it. You can also throw in, if you really wanna get creative, you can, like I said, throw in some bananas, you could throw in some coconut, you could really make this your own. I mean, if there's any types of fruits that you would like, you can do it, throw it in here. Like I said, you can really take this recipe and adapt it to something that you will really enjoy. All right, guys, so we just finished up our homemade Nutella. It's been sitting in the refrigerator now for about an hour, so it's kind of started to sit up. You can see here, it's still very soft, very spreadable. It's got a really nice texture to it. It's kind of like almost a brownie kind of consistency. It is so good. So what we're gonna go ahead and do, I'm gonna take a slice of our really good homemade bread. If you're interested in our bread recipes, check it out there on the Utopia Experience. We have a really amazing 5-in-1 dough. Makes bread, pizza doughs, baguettes, tortillas, pita bread. It's amazing. We'll leave a link below in the description, so you want to check that one out. But this stuff, check it out. So like I said, this has been in the refrigerator now for about an hour. It just spreads so nice. It's so good. And the thing is, it's really healthy for you. There's really nothing that's bad in this. You know, a little bit of agave and cacao and some nuts. It's amazing. And it's got moringa in it. It's a superfood. So we're gonna go and take some of our bananas that we harvested out here, and we'll just slice a little of that up and put on there with our Nutella. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so good. Fresh grown jungle bananas, homemade Nutella from our cacao trees. Oh, I tell you, who says living in the jungle doesn't pay? All right, let's try this. That's heaven. Well guys, thank you for watching until the end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button, turn on that bell notification, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.